Yan. Nanonood kasi ako dito sa iPad ko. Comment kayo dyan.
Thank you for saving me. I was so thirsty. What level are you guys at, Regan? Would you punch me in the face? You're $2 million away. Wakey, wakey. Hey, thanks for the
Excuse me. Binaba kami. Parang dagat. Ayun no. Bawal ko ipakita ng masyado kasi baka baka mabasa. So guys, wala lang kasi ako magawa. Ginawang baha yung namin. Hindi nga, ginawang baha. Kayo, baha ba din ba? Comment down below. So guys, ayun lang po. Bye-bye!